Hi everybody, this is Kathy from Kathy's Creative Crafts and More. Welcome back to our channel. So today I am coming along with a project share with Kokorosastudio, and these are some of the dies I used, and I will link their website down on the description below, so do make sure you guys go over, check it out. I will also link a coupon code and all the items that I received from them. So let me go ahead and show you. So I got this die. Oh my goodness, it's on here. I got this die, and this actually came in the middle. Okay, so you can use this die in many ways. These are cute little snowflakes. So this is more of a Christmas themed die, and this was a bumblebees. And here is the beehive, as you guys could see, and the word bee. So let me go ahead and show you what I ended up creating with this one first. So what I ended up creating was this little cute little card, and what I did, I actually die cut this several times right here, and then what I did on two of them, I actually cut the middle, or right here in the little part, I cut it so I can actually intertwine these inside so they can look cuter. And then here is the little bird that it comes with. There you go. Here is this leaf right here. And here are some of the leaves. There's these are a few of the leaves that are right here in this die, and leaves right here, and that's what it looks like. And then I also, what I did die cut the little snowflakes, and I put them in here, so whenever I write my note, that will be in there. And that is it for this one. And then I also, here is my bumblebee one. Isn't that cute, you guys? And this is the bumblebees. And then I did also get the beehive, and I just wanted to show you how I ended up working with it. I did use foam right here. So these are foams right here. And the beehive, the background, I will also link it down on the description below. And here you go. So I used foam, and this is what I did. So you only have to run it once, and it should pop out right away like this one does. And there you go. So it is an easy, simple cut. I mean, didn't have any problems with it. You know, if you feel like you just didn't cut right, all you have to do is pull it out a little bit. Try not to pull it too fast, because then you might tear it. So that is it. So I just wanted to show you my little project share and just show you how I did these. Let me see. Oops. Let me see. There you go. So just be careful, like I said. And wow, there you go. See how easy that is? You know, you just have to play with it. And I'm trying to make sure my hands are within camera frame, and I'm looking at this right. So to apologize. So you guys, Kokorosu has so many cute dies. They're really inexpensive. They're not that expensive. And then with the discount code, hey, it's well worth it. So there you go. So this is how I did it. Well, actually I put the bottom frame, but I'm planning on redoing this one eventually and doing it something like this, or probably putting a bottom for the bottom right here, and this one so it could pop out. So that's what it looks like. And there you go. And you guys, like I said, I will link Kokorosu down on the description below. Go over there, check them out, and let's use discount code. And thank you everybody for taking the time to watch. Kokorosa, thank you so much for allowing me to display your beautiful dies, and thank you. We'll see you guys on our next video. Bye for now.